Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Look at this. Practical driving test pass certificate. It has been a long time coming. The time is now. Just passed my driving test with Passers Hub. Yeah, it has been brilliant learning to drive with Mo. Yes, I've been biding my time, taking my lessons, little 2 hours here and there, learning, my mirror signal maneuver and all these things. And this morning, I put it to practice. I tell you something, last night I had a dream. I dreamt that I was driving with toy cars. Actually doing my driving test. This morning was the day of reckoning, and it's done thanks to Mom, and it has been fun. Let them know. So I would recommend that you definitely do your driving lessons with Passers Hub. You will pass. Take it from me. My name is Clayton Brown. As you can see, Miranda, don't tell anybody. Everybody called me Peppery, the real hot steppery. Tell them say them cannot stop me now. Moving up the line and not behind or below. Promoters, book me. Imagine, I used to turn up without fail, without a driving license, without a car. Imagine now, I'll be there. Let them know.